tip for people who are applying is to become interested in current affairs, to follow pages on social media that are linked to legal news or political news, because that will really help you to contextualize the issues that you're learning about when you start the degree.
Make sure you are really curious about the law and you have a passion for the subjects, because it will be tough at times and it is rigorous, but so long as you've still got the passion, it will drive you for the rest of the course and you'll have a much better time for it.
A lot of people have been told maybe you shouldn't apply so-and-so, maybe you won't get in, but don't listen to that and just go with your gut. If you do believe that you can, then you'll work hard enough to get there, and everyone should apply if they want to, because you've got nothing to lose and it's an amazing faculty to study in.
I would recommend being sure that it is what you want to do. It's a very rigorous course and one that you certainly need to be prepared for. But if you are sure that it is what you want to study, then I would recommend just throwing yourself into it, to take every opportunity that does come along, particularly when you first come here. Whether that's trying to get involved with the Law Society by getting involved in extracurricular activities or being on the society itself, and really throwing yourself into your academic study.
It's a brilliant choice. Honestly, studying law changes you because you're more concerned about society and you learn to think more critically. Law at UCL is taught in an excellent manner because it's so holistic. You're encouraged to both explore your career interests as well as intellectual and academic interests.
UCL Law's main selling point comes from the good range of modules it offers. It offers a very healthy balance in terms of what the law is like. Because in first year, you don't just learn about contract law and criminal law, we also learn about public law, which does give you insights into law in real life issues that will affect you. UCL Laws tends to attract a diverse range of staff and students alike, so we have a very interesting international community that comes from it. So even if you're from halfway across the world like I am, you don't feel alone, you don't feel left out. And that's the amazing thing that UCL creates on its own, and combined with the general experience of studying and living in London, it is an opportunity of a lifetime that you should not pass up.